Prashant. I am 14 years young. My hobbies are to play cricket, football, volleyball. I also like to play flute and read books. I aspire to enroll in the best institute of India, that is IIT.
Hi, I'm Krisha. I'm 13 years old and I aspire to become a biologist. My hobbies are reading books, lettering, and dance. Here are some of my favorite pastime work.
Hi, my name is G and I'm 13 years young and I aspire to become an author who writes the world's best-selling books.
Hello, I'm Freya and I'm 13 years old. And my aspiration is to become a market analyst.
I love reading, nature photography, and dancing.
Hi, I am Arya. I am in 8th standard and I am 13 years old. My hobbies are football and cycling. I aspire to be a footballer like Lionel Messi.